Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Abdul Rafiq bin Mahsan, and today I will introduce to you about life cycle assessment of electronic cigarettes. So, what is electronic cigarettes? Electronic cigarettes are devices that can deliver nicotine and flavorings to the user in the form of an aerosol. E-cigarettes have the potential to benefit some people and harm others. Scientists still have a lot to learn about whether e-cigarettes are effective in helping adults to quit smoking. Little fun fact about electronic cigarettes. Did you know vaping is less harmful than smoking? But it is still not safe. 68% of electronic cigarettes users in high school use flavor menthol, candy, fruit, and sweets. As you know, young people are more likely to smoke with sweet flavor. How does it look like? Electronic cigarettes come with many various of shape and type, which is it can be in vape pen, it can be mid-size, it can be mod box, USB or jewel. There are some body parts of e-cigarettes. First, drip tip, atomizer, battery, the sensor, and the solution or flavor. So, all of these are body parts of e-cigarettes. Why are e-cigarettes dangerous? That is because e-cigarettes contain high nicotine and contain toxin. E-cigarettes heat nicotine extract from tobacco, flavoring and other chemicals to create an aerosol that you inhale. Regular tobacco cigarettes contain 7,000 chemicals, many of which are toxic. Also, e-cigarettes are dangerous because it can cause second-hand smoker, and adults may influence teenagers to smoke. So, adults is prohibited to smoke in open public place because it can harm other people around you. And the last one is obviously smoking e-cigarettes can cause you wasting money. Statistics in Malaysia: cigarettes and e-cigarette user among students in Malaysia. As you can see, 21% of students in Malaysia are e-cigarettes user. 14% is ex-smoker and now use e-cigarettes. 19% is smoker but never use e-cigarettes. 6% are ex-smoker and never use e-cigarettes, and 40%, which is the highest reading, is both user, which is they are smoke cigarettes and electronic cigarettes. Next, where the people are most likely to see electronic cigarettes advertisement. They can see this advertisement from television, retail stores, internet, and magazine. There is because there is no limitation and restriction in media social to show what they want to show to our young generation. So that's why our young generation are exposed to this advertisement, which is electronic cigarettes. Next, the life cycle of e-cigarettes. There are 5 aspects of life cycle. First, raw material use. Second, manufacturing process. The third, transportation and distribution. The fourth, the product usage. And the fifth, the end of life of products. The first, raw material. The raw material of these electronic cigarettes is atomizer, battery, liquid nicotine, and cartridge. And the second process is manufacturing. Electronic cigarettes are simple process because the different component is manufactured or bought from third-party companies. And lastly, the assemble at the end, manually or by automatic tools. The third, distribution and transportation. They need to packaging before distribute to the retailer. Also, we as consumer can buy these electronic cigarettes from online shopping. And the fourth process is product usage. To inhale vapor through the mouth from a usually battery-operated electronic device such as an electronic cigarette that heats up and vaporizes a liquid or solid. Why people choose electronic cigarettes? Because electronic cigarettes are more portable and easy to bring to everywhere. If you are looking to replace smoking cigarettes, then this is the ideal way to stop smoking. And the fifth process, the end of life of product. Electronic cigarettes no need to dispose, and all the components are repairable. Also, electronic cigarettes is not produce waste and can be recycled. Once you finish to smoke the electronic cigarettes, you don't need to dispose the e-cigarettes because you just need to replace with the new cartridge to feel like a new one. So that's why there's no need to dispose the electronic cigarettes. Impacts to our life. Electronic cigarettes can impact to our brain. Nicotine release feel-good chemical in brain, causing long-lasting chemical and addiction. Other effects include lightheadedness and dizziness. Effect to lung. Nicotine can cause rapid shallow breathing, permanent lung damage, and higher risk for lung and lung cancer. Effect to heart. Heart rate and blood pressure go up, making your heart work more harder to get blood and oxygen to cells. In long term, it can cause heart attack. To our behavior, nicotine can lead to smoke signals or marijuana. It can also permanently reduce impulse control risk, cause problem with attention and thinking. Effect to our immune system. Vaping can suppress hundreds of key immune genes, harming your immune system even more than smoking. Effects to our environment. Electronic cigarettes like Juul can leak heavy metal and residual nicotine into the environment. Because of heavy metals and residual nicotine, e-cigarettes may qualify as both e-waste and biohazard waste. And little advice to you. E-cigarettes are not safe for youth, young adults, pregnant adults, and as well as adults who do not currently use tobacco products. If you have never smoked or used other tobacco products or electronic cigarettes, don't start. Additional research. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy with this video. Thank you.